Hello to all my friends out there. And so in my house, on all special occasions, we cook and we eat. And so I wanted to make it like, family. And so we would sit around in the kitchen with my grandmother, with my aunts, and we would lick the bowls and we would chat, So, okay, the night is young. Possible I'm going to hit the 1,000,000 views tonight. I don't know. Luckily, I'm very nocturnal. Okay, last night I made some cabbage soup. And one of the best ways for saving money is to eat all the leftovers. I made this according to the instructions, except I used roasted tomatoes because I had a lot of tomatoes that need to be used up. I drizzled them with oil and I roasted them. I sprinkled basil and roast them 400. And I used 2 cups chicken broth. Other than that, I followed it pretty much. This is good. I like this recipe. Okay, and then I'm brewing a little mint tea. Decaf. I'm being good. And I made a little, some salami, and that's some lunch meat turkey. And I have some leftover crackers. And let me give you a little shot. See, my bread's coming along. And there's my strudel dough back there. And in my tea, I need a little tiny pinch of cinnamon. So I'm going to be celebrating all night long, probably. It works no hardship on me. I'll be watching chess videos. They're very relaxing. Plus, I'm learning a lot of good strategies for our games. Mikey better be pretty sharp when we get around to playing. Otherwise, I will annihilate him. Well, I will try. I will try to defeat him. I'm sure everyone in the family at this point was laughing hysterically. He's hard to beat. He's tricky, like his father. Okay, the night is young. I'm celebrating, and I will be back soon. And try this. If you eat all your leftovers and you stockpile, let me show you. Where is it? I just keep all the lunch meat. You know what was good is that salami. I'm getting some more of that at Dollar Tree. I just keep all the lunch meat. This time I have turkey. Sometimes I have ham. And I keep lunch meat all the time in the freezer. And then, I had these crackers. I'm trying to eat these up because, I had a half a package. I could make a sandwich, but crackers... For years, for lunch, I would eat crackers and cheese. This is a good little snack. Okay, I will be back, when I assemble the strudel. Okay, you guys, God bless you all.